Everybody wants to use GPT-4, but it's only available in the premium plan. And most of the people are using Bing Chat to use GPT-4, but Bing Chat have also some limitations. And what's the solution? Yes, there is a solution. There is another method how you can access GPT-4 for completely free. Hello everyone, this is Hassan and welcome to the Planet AI. In this video, I'll show you how you can access GPT-4 with some kind of trick. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Now simply go to your search bar and search for Sincode.ai and click the first link. So we are finally in the website. It shows me to go to your dashboard because I have already signed in. So I have my own dashboard. So as you can see, they have multiple options over here. They have multiple presets, personalized data, malware chat. So this is based on ChatGPT. They have generate code, content, and multiple options that you can use. These are presets that you can use that can fulfill your different kind of requirements in your blogging, YouTube, and all that stuff. So if we see on the left side, we have different options as they have own image generator, but the feature that we are looking for is malware chat. So click the malware chat, and this is pretty much similar. Say hello to malware chat. So as they have mentioned, unlike ChatGPT, malware chat is using the latest Google data and is not limited to 2021. So it means this malware chat has latest data that is of 2023. So if we see on the bottom side, the options that are very useful, they have two separate options, GPT-3 and GPT-4. So they have implemented GPT-4 technology in their malware chat. And they also have include latest data from the Google, so you have to enable that to get latest data from Google. So it can access Google and find you the latest data. Let's try something. Are you a ChatGPT-4? So let's see what it comes out with. So you answered that, no, I'm not ChatGPT-4, I'm malware chat, an AI chatbot that utilizes GPT-4 with Google data to assist users. The focus point is this is using GPT-4 with the latest Google data. So let's try if it's actually working on the latest data. So let's try something. So this time I'll go with give me a list of 2023 released Hollywood movies. So as you can see, it gave me a 2023 latest movies list. Ant-Man and the Wasp Kingdom and multiple different newly released movies. So you can also copy that. So let's try something else. Write a short review on Clickworker. So it gave me a short review of the Clickworker, how it works and how it utilizes the data. So let's see. So this time So if he can provide us the most latest data, let's see. So this time I'm gonna try what is current Bitcoin price. So let's see. So it shows us, according to the latest Google data, that current Bitcoin price is $28,469. So let's see if it's correct or not. Here's the actual price of BTC on the Google is actually almost same, not exactly, but almost same, because you can see the price is changing every second. So that's why it's showing us. So as you can see, it also has access to the web. It can also access Google's latest data. It can provide us the most recent data, and it's working on GPT-4 technology, and it's completely free. You can use, you can go to the Sincode.ai and you can use it as you want. So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, so give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next.